Hey, this is Josh and Ashley
Hi.
from Flint River Lost and Found. We are venturing out today. We came to a place called Cummings Falls. It's actually a state park. We're gonna go dive the waterfall. We've got this huge trail we have to walk down to get to it. I think we're going down in the gorge down there somewhere. Never been here before, so we don't know what to expect. Say hi.
Hi.
We're at a beautiful Cummings Falls today. We decided to venture out from Flint River because the water's really murky. This water seems pretty clear, so we're going to see what we can find today. So we found a bunch of golf balls and a boot, weird boot laying at the bottom of the river. I don't know, it's weird. But there's tons of people, like tons of people. It's really hard to dive with people jumping off the falls and stuff, but we had fun. We're headed. Tina. You Tina. Shortcut. Right. It is the zombie apocalypse. Well, you gotta cross. We gotta cross. We have to cross. Look how clear the water is. Yeah, I don't really want to.
portion of the day on the video where we make the river hunter find his own GoPro.
I do not want to find my own GoPro. I have it in my hands. I don't want to have to find it.
I keep carrying it around without a waterproof.
So we're finally on the way home, and we found snacks. Yes. Ashley packed all the snacks, but we found some snacks on the way home too. They're gonna be good, really good. Say hi, Leader.